Adding new employees or dependent records. Once logged in, to add a new employee or dependent record, hover over the Enrollment tab located at the top of your screen. Then, click the Perform Enrollment option. Once the enrollment screen has loaded, you will see 3 different options. The first option is New Hire. The New Hire option is for new employees enrolled in your healthcare benefits program. To begin, under the Employee ID Type dropdown, select Social Security Number. Once this has been selected, type in the employee's Social Security Number. After the Social Security Number has been entered, fill out the employee's date of birth and the employee's hire date. Once all of the data has been entered, be sure to review all fields to confirm accuracy. Any error may impact the member's ability to seek services. Once you have confirmed all of the information is correct, click Go. The next screen will bring you to the Employee Information page. This screen will prompt you to enter the employee's demographic information. All fields that have red asterisks are required fields and will need to be filled out. If you do not fill out all required fields, an error message will populate and highlight the missing fields when you attempt to save and continue. Here are a couple helpful hints when adding information. Make sure when you get to the status field, you select Active as the employee status. When entering the employee address, simply type in the street address and the zip code. The city and state information will automatically populate. If for some reason the zip code populates any wrong city or state data, simply override that data by typing in the correct information. Once you have filled out all required fields, click Save and Continue. After the employee information has been entered and saved, you will be prompted to enter any dependent information. If there are no dependents, simply click the No Dependents checkbox at the top of the form and click Save and Continue. If there are dependents to be added, fill out all required fields as you previously did to enroll the employee. Please note that the dependent Social Security Number field is not required. However, if it is available, adding this information is highly recommended. Once the dependent information is correctly entered, click Save and Continue. This will bring you to a dependent information page where all your dependents will be listed. If you need to add another dependent, simply click the Add the Dependent tab and repeat the previous steps. If there are no additional dependents to be added, click Save and Continue. Next, you will be brought to the Plan Elections screen. Here, you will select the coverage type and plan for the employee and their dependents, if applicable. Once the correct plan and coverage type has been selected, click Save and Continue. This will bring you to the final review screen in which you will confirm all information that was input is correct. If everything is correct and ready for processing, scroll down and type your first and last name for an electronic signature and click the Submit Request button. If you would like to add any notes or comments regarding this specific enrollment, add them in the comments box below the first and last name electronic signature. Once submitted, you will get a confirmation message at the top of your screen saying that the record has been saved successfully. If you click the Back button, you'll be brought back to the enrollment screen where you will see the enrollment has been submitted. This record is now with our eligibility team and will be reviewed and processed within 1 business day. Need help terminating or changing an employee or dependent information? Check out our other videos on how to change employee or dependent information and how to terminate employees and dependents.